beat of me, click.
Here are 3 hunting techniques used by humpback whales. 1. Bubble net feeding. The group of whales releases spirals of bubbles to trap fish in a concentrated area before swimming upward to swallow them. 2. Lunge feeding. The whale accelerates toward a dense school of fish or krill with its mouth wide open, engulfing large amounts of prey in one swift motion. Freshwater crocodiles use several effective hunting techniques to catch their prey. Here are some of their main strategies. 1. Ambush hunting. Crocodiles remain almost completely submerged, with only their eyes and nostrils above the water. They wait motionless until prey, such as fish or small mammals, comes close before striking with incredible speed. Sharks live in the ocean at varying depths. Some species, like reef sharks, inhabit shallow coastal waters, while deep-sea sharks, such as the goblin shark, can be found at depths of over 1,000 meters (3,280 feet). The deepest living known shark, the frilled shark, has been recorded at depths of up to 1,500 meters (4,920 feet). Elephants defend their territory in several ways. 1. Dominance displays. Male elephants, especially during the period of heightened aggression, display dominance by flapping their ears, trumpeting loudly, and charging at intruders. 2. Physical confrontation. If threats persist, elephants may use their size, tusks, and strength to push, ram, or fight off rivals or predators. The strength of bison horns. Bison horns are powerful weapons designed for both defense and dominance. Made of keratin, the same material as human nails, these horns are thick, strong, and can grow up to 2 feet 60 centimeters long. They are used in combat between males, especially during the mating season, where bulls clash their horns to establish dominance. How tigers kill their prey. Tigers are powerful and strategic hunters, using several techniques to take down their prey efficiently. 1. Stealth and stalking. Tigers move silently through the forest, using their striped fur as camouflage. They patiently stalk their prey, getting as close as possible before attacking. Bears have incredibly strong bites, allowing them to crush bones, tear flesh, and even break through tough materials like shells and thick hides. Their bite force varies depending on the species. 1. Grizzly bear, around 975 psi pounds per square inch, strong enough to crush a bowling ball or snap a moose bone. 2. Polar bear, approximately 1,200 psi, making it the strongest bite among bears, capable of breaking through thick ice and seal skulls.